regarding the asylum cases, what dilemma is going on? I mean, are they able to go through, or they are in status quo situation?
যদি কোনো ইমিগ্রেশন স্ট্যাটাস এখন নাই, ডেফিনেটলি একটা ইমিগ্রেশন অ্যাটর্নির সাথে কনসাল্ট করে কোনো রকম পথ খুঁজে বার করবেন ফর টু বিকাম ডকুমেন্টেড। এটা হইতে পারে through a spouse.
If you're single, get married to an American citizen. If you cannot find an American citizen, get married to a green card holder. Tell your parents to sponsor you. Ask your brothers and sisters to sponsor you. You need to fight those cases, Zaman Bhai. And cancellation of removal falls under Section 240 of the Immigration and Nationality Act. And if you can show the judge that there'll be extreme exceptional.
Attorney 𝗓𝗏𝗏, what you have with you with the latest update on the immigration world, and of course, you know what we are going to talk about, the problems in the Dhaka's consulate, U.S. consulate in Dhaka, and then of course the delayed cases, how we can overcome this situation. People are very much expecting. So go ahead, sir. The floor is with you.
Yeah, firstly, I mean, I don't want to start with the best news, but I want to start with the news that is not the best today, because the sad reality is that people have to start taking charge of the immigration matters. You cannot just be sitting quietly now and doing nothing about your immigration case. Zaman Bhai, that'll be a big mistake. If you are undocumented, try to become documented. Because if you're undocumented, things are only going to get worse. So the bottom line is, try to get legal in the country. How do you get legal? If you have children over here who are, who can get married, get them married so at least they can get their papers in order. If you're single, get married to an American citizen. If you cannot find an American citizen, get married to a green card holder. Tell your parents to sponsor you. Ask your brothers and sisters to sponsor you. It may take a long time, but it's better to start, doing something about your case. Just don't sit idle. The other sad thing is, the cases that were administratively closed by the immigration judges, they are getting reopened. So that is not the best news. Firstly, what the Trump administration is doing is wrong, because they should not be digging old graves. They should not be asking judges to reopen those cases. We are here to unite families in America. We are not here to destroy families. This entire narrative of breaking up families, destroying families, is not the right thing what is happening in the country. It is sad to see that a husband is going to be separated from his wife. A brother is going to be separated from his sister. A child is going to be separated from his father. This is not what immigration law is all about. Immigration law is about caring. Immigration law is about sharing. Immigration law is about uniting families. Immigration law is not about dividing families. But currently, what is happening is families are getting destroyed. Families are getting distorted. Families are in panic. That is not the American way of life. And another sad thing, even when people are applying for citizenship, when they're coming back, they're seeing letters to appear before immigration judges, especially if they've committed any kind of fraud. If you're applying for citizenship, if you have a criminal record, even if your case was closed and if you pled guilty, do not do it on your own. If you're traveling to Bangladesh or to another country and coming back, and if you had a case on another name, those cases are also coming up, Zaman Bhai.
Okay. Thank you. নওশীন, আপনার দৃষ্টি আকর্ষণ করছি, আপনি কি একটু শর্টলি ন্যারেটিভ করে বলতে পারবেন, উনি যে কথাগুলো বলেছেন এটা শেয়ার করতে পারবেন দর্শকের উদ্দেশ্যে?
Mr. Gehi was saying যে আপনাদের যদি কোনো ইমিগ্রেশন স্ট্যাটাস এখন নাই, ডেফিনেটলি একটা ইমিগ্রেশন অ্যাটর্নির সাথে কনসাল্ট করে কোনো রকম পথ খুঁজে বার করবেন ফর টু বিকাম ডকুমেন্টেড। এটা হইতে পারে through a spouse, brothers, sisters, or through your parents. and just look for a path to find documentation, because এখন environment খুব risky আগের চেয়ে, তারপরে পুরানো immigration case administratively reopen হচ্ছে, so that's not good news. আর অনেকগুলা families separate হচ্ছে, break up হচ্ছে, so কোনোরকম ভাবে যদি আপনি স্ট্যাটাসটা চেঞ্জ করতে পারেন অবশ্যই করবেন, even if that means to get married.
Thank you.
বিয়ে করে তো একদম ভালো আছে।
Thank you, Noshin. You have explained very nicely. আপনি খুব সুন্দর করে বলেছেন কথাগুলো। Attorney Norasham Gehi, we know that he is very experienced in all these critical cases, to how to handle this type of the complex cases. He is a master in this. So far I know. And he used to tell me that, Zaman, if you have any critical cases, I am a very, very conservative lawyer. I know what to do. So, Norashji.
First thing is, Zaman bhai, we cannot win every case. People have to.
That's true.
But we can try our best to do everything on every case, because even with all our wonderful lawyers and people who are coming on the show, people should understand lawyers cannot win every case for you. They can fight for you, because to grant you the right to live in America or no is vested with the government of the United States. So please do not blame your lawyer. It's the system that is very, very conservative and giving it.
Right. And Norashji, one more thing that regarding the cases, people are all division. I mean all categories, especially now. The most of the calls coming to us, personally to me also, because since I am hosting the show, lots of people are calling me. And though I'm referring to you guys or whatever it is, but thing is that regarding the asylum cases, what dilemma is going on? I mean, are they able to go through, or they are in status quo situation?
The status quo is not there anymore, because they're reopening those cases.
Okay.
It's very sad that they're denying cases without even reading them. So therefore, it's very important to do. What you can do is hire very good lawyers. And if you hire good lawyers, they can just do the best for you.
Mm-hmm.
And at least the case will go on. If your case gets denied, appeal it. If the appeal is denied, take it to the Second Circuit. Keep fighting for your rights. The best thing to do is to keep fighting for your rights. And in my office, you can reach out to Noshin, and we have other offices. In our Jamaica office, we have a lot of people who speak Bengali. We have Naba Zena. We've been helping a lot of people from our Jamaica office, from our Jacksonites office, and our office in Texas also. Wherein people are coming in, they're asking us, what can we do? But the best thing what people are doing, Zaman bhai, is sometimes they have been here for more than 10 years. And if they are before the judge, and if they've been here for more than 10 years, and they have children in this country, then they can also apply for the 10-year cancellation of removal, which is the hardship case. Through that, judges are pretty nice. Some of them are very nice. They understand what is hardship. And there's a recent case that came out from the US Supreme Court that can be very helpful, under which they said that family unity is the cornerstone of the US government. So you need to fight those cases, Zaman bhai. And cancellation of removal falls under Section 240 of the Immigration and Nationality Act. And if you can show the judge that there'll be extreme, exceptional, and unusual hardship to your US citizen spouse, green card holder spouse, green card holder children, or US citizen children, or to parents who are citizens or green card holders, the law is extreme, exceptional, and unusual. The leading case on the point is the matter of Monreal, the matter of Andazola, and the matter of Racinas. If you can show those cases, you can fight cases under that category, people may still qualify for a green card.
নিউ ইয়র্ক থেকে সম্প্রচারিত TBN 24 টেলিভিশন বিশ্বজুড়ে বাঙালির কণ্ঠস্বর।